Imagine finally being able to walk from your home office to your kitchen without your video call freezing or your 4K stream dropping into a pixelated mess. Welcome back. If you're ready to kill those frustrating dead zones once and for all, the TP-Link Deco X15 Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system is the absolute easiest way to upgrade your home network for 2026. This isn't just another standard router. It is a Wi-Fi 6 powerhouse designed specifically for the hyper-connected modern home. Even as a single unit, one pack, the Deco X15 covers up to 2,100 square feet, delivering a cleaner, stronger signal that penetrates walls much better than older Wi-Fi 5 models. It provides a total speed of up to 1,500 megabits per second, which is more than enough for lag-free gaming and smooth streaming on up to 120 devices simultaneously. What really makes the Deco X15 special is the AI-driven mesh technology. It doesn't just blast signal, it actually learns your home's layout and your network usage patterns to auto-select the best possible connection as you move from room to room. If you decide to expand later, you can just add another Deco unit and they'll automatically form a single, unified network under one Wi-Fi name. With 2 gigabit ports for high-speed wired connections and robust parental controls built right into the app, it's a reliable, set-it-and-forget-it solution for any 1 to 2 bedroom home. Click the link below for the best price and secure your home network today. If this breakdown helped you find the perfect Wi-Fi solution, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the best tech of 2026. See you in the next one.